Welcome to the Transit Centre at Pye Motors here in Morecambe. This is the Ford Transit Connect Trend in Shadow Black. In the rear of the vehicle you've got the LED light option for the load compartment. It's also got a load through hatch, which means you can load through any slightly longer objects that you may be carrying into the front compartment of the vehicle, which I'll show you how to use later on. On the floor, got the Ford Easy Clean plastic mat, as well as rubber floor mats for the front there. Inside the vehicle, we've got the screen there, which shows your radio, and it's also got front and rear parking sensors in this vehicle. Stop start, your parking sensors down there. And there's the dual passenger seat, which I'll show you more in a minute about how to use that hatch. So this is somewhat of the party piece of the vehicle. If you pull the red band at the top there, the passenger seat lies down flat, and that's where you can use the load through hatch into the rear compartment for any longer items. The middle seat also folds down, but it can also be lifted up for extra storage. USB charger in there for anything you may need. When you fold it down again with the red tag, you've got cup holders and an elasticated restraint for anything you may need to keep tied down there. So that is the Transit Connect Trend. It's the 120 PS 6-speed 1.5 TDCi. It's in Shadow Black. It's the L1, it's the short wheelbase model. If you need any further information on the vehicle, you want to book a test drive or get any quotes arranged for you, give us a call here at Pye Motors on 01524 598 598.